So hi everyone. So today we want to talk about ecotoxicology. So what is actually ecotoxicology and what will happen to the toxicants? Ecotoxicology is when there is toxicants in our ecosystem that can give adverse effect to living organisms. There are a few ways these toxicants can move from places such as air to water to soil, and it's like a cycle. And this is called the fate of toxicants. There are a few types of toxicants that we will discuss about today, and every toxicants have their own ways of giving effects to living organisms, and they can disrupt our ecosystem and can cause a lot of harmful things. So we will discuss more about it later on.
There are many ways toxicants can be emitted, such as anthropogenic sources which are man-made, for example industrial processes and agriculture. Other than anthropogenic, there are also natural sources such as volcanic activity, mining and construction. There are 5 toxicants that we think are important that we chose to study further. That is mercury, fertilizer, pesticide, asbestos, and tetrodotoxin.
Mercury is a chemical toxicant that pollutes the environment, including the land, air, and water. In water, it can bioaccumulate in aquatic organisms. It can also cause mercury poisoning in lethal dosage. It normally depends on how much a person is being exposed. It can cause many health effects such as neurological issues, gastrointestinal problems, acute and long-term effects. Even skin irritation can be seen in the picture shown. Mercury can normally be exposed either through inhalation, digestion, or through dermal contact. Animals as well can face a lot of health issues.
In persistent and chronic pain conditions, long-term changes occur in the functioning of pain nerve cells, making them highly sensitive and active, a phenomenon known as sensitization. The sodium channels located on nerve cells are in part responsible for sensitization. They act as gates that regulate the entry of sodium ions across the cell membrane and play a critical role in the transmission of pain and sensory signals to the brain. TTX reduces the activity of sensitized nerve cells by selectively and reversibly blocking these sodium channels. Although sodium channels are complex structures, TTX selectively binds to the fourth domain on the outer pore of the channel. This blocks sodium ions from entering the nerve altogether, thereby interrupting or preventing nerve conduction. As a result, persistent and chronic pain may be relieved without the morphine-like side effects associated with existing pain management drugs.
And lastly, those toxicants can cause environmental effect. As shown above, that is mercury present in water, which will contaminate the water. This can cause something called eutrophication, which is the excessive growth of algal bloom that will cause the death of aquatic life and other living organisms. Besides that, these toxicants can also cause air pollution.
So as you can see by the picture, we need this peaceful environment to live in and to survive. So, to summarize, why is it important for us to learn about ecotoxicology and what happens if these toxicants will be excessive in our ecosystem? As we all know, toxicants can give adverse effects to our health, and it can cause a lot of harmful effects to ecosystem also, such as animals and plants. So we need to learn about this so that we can survive better and have a healthy life. Therefore, everyone should have self-awareness, and we can do if we work all together. So that's all from us. Thank you.